My deepest fear is not using my platform, me being in a privileged position, to create change and staying quiet in moments when people need voice and need support. Even though I came from a council estate in central Liverpool, I achieved my dream of becoming a professional football player. I think my background helped me become the player I am today, but also the person I am. Even though many people outside of my area can see it as less economically developed, for me it was home, the place I loved. The people supported me all the way throughout my career, and it provided me an opportunity to express my talent and be the best version of myself every day, while inspiring other people from the same area to do the same. My favourite part about being a footballer is that you have a platform to create change, and I think you should use this platform to help positivity in our world and create a better place for us all to live. I am remarkable because I was able to utilise the support system around me in order to live out my dream of becoming a professional football player. I have won every trophy available in club women's football, both in England and France. When I hang up my boots, I want to be remembered for the player that never gave up and always gave back. I want to be able to look young people in the eye and tell them about my journey and really help them move forward in their journey.